Getting rich isn't just about math, it's about psychology, because the same traits that help you build wealth can be the ones that make you lose it. There are two completely different skills: getting rich, which takes optimism, risk, and aggression, and staying rich, which takes humility, patience, and fear. Most people master one, but not both. That's why you see fortunes made and lost. When you're in the getting rich phase, you're a builder. You say yes to opportunity. You take calculated risks. You believe you can beat the odds, because for a while, you have to. But builders often forget, the mindset that gets you up the mountain isn't the same one that keeps you there. Staying rich is about defense. It's realizing that compounding only works if you survive long enough to see it. That means avoiding ruin, staying liquid, and never betting everything, even when you feel invincible. Because money doesn't test your intelligence, it tests your endurance. The paradox of wealth is this: you need aggression to build it, and restraint to preserve it. The world rewards those who can hold both, confidence in the future and fear of losing what they've built. That balance is what the truly wealthy understand. The psychology of money is really the psychology of emotion. Can you control greed when markets rise? Can you control fear when they fall? Because every bubble and every crash is powered by emotion, not logic, and the few who stay calm through both end up owning everything the rest panic sold. Here's the invisible rule: the more you show your wealth, the less you probably keep. Real wealth is quiet. It buys freedom, not attention. The loudest people are often the least secure. So the real flex, being unbothered by showing nothing at all. Getting rich is a sprint. Staying rich is a marathon. You win by avoiding the big mistakes, not chasing the biggest wins. Compounding rewards the patient, not the perfect. If you can simply stay in the game, the math does the rest. Once you build wealth, something strange happens. Your fear shifts. When you have nothing, you fear not having enough. When you have something, you fear losing it. That fear quietly drives most financial decisions: selling too soon, over-diversifying, or never taking another risk again. It's the hidden tax of success: anxiety. The people who stay rich understand that wealth is alive. It must adapt. What worked to make it won't always protect it. Markets evolve, technology shifts, but principles stay the same. Diversify, stay patient, protect the downside, let time do the heavy lifting. Getting rich is about intensity. Staying rich is about endurance and flexibility. At some point, you realize wealth isn't just financial. It's freedom of time, peace of mind, and the ability to say no. You stop measuring success by what you earn and start measuring it by what you can ignore. That's when you're truly rich, when money stops being the goal and becomes the quiet tool that builds the life you actually want. Getting rich is a sprint. Staying rich is a marathon. You win by avoiding the big mistakes, not chasing the biggest wins. Compounding rewards the patient, not the perfect. If you can simply stay in the game, the math does the rest. And that's the quiet truth about wealth: those who last win. This is Wealth Theory, where money meets psychology. Subscribe for more insights on building wealth that lasts and the mindset to protect it.